Story: The moon is in danger. Chapter 1: A new friend. In the distant future, on the moon, there lived a boy named Tim. He was a curious and brave child who always dreamed of adventures. One day, while he was exploring the moon's surface, he stumbled upon an unusual creature. This creature had fluffy ears, bright blue eyes, and was covered in soft fur. Tim felt an instant connection with the creature and named it Looney. Tim and Looney became inseparable friends. They spent a lot of time together, exploring the moon's surface. They jumped from one crater to another, examined peculiar lunar rocks, and listened to strange sounds they heard. Looney was a kind and joyful creature that always brought joy into Tim's life. However, one day, Tim noticed that Looney started behaving strangely. It seemed sad and didn't want to play. Tim was concerned and decided to figure out what was wrong. He asked Looney many questions, but it only responded with small, sad sounds. Tim didn't understand what was happening until he discovered strange paw prints on the moon's sand. Chapter 2: A Bold Plan. Tim realized that Looney was in danger. He knew he had to save his friend. He understood that dealing with this alone would be difficult, so he decided to assemble a team of other children who shared his determination to help Looney. Tim invited his best friends Emily and Ben, as well as Maya and Jake, who were known for their bravery and ability to solve complex challenges. Together, they gathered and devised a bold rescue plan. They knew they needed to find a way to reach the planet where Looney was held captive by the monster and bring him back home. The children studied maps, discussed possibilities, and searched for ways to achieve their goal. Chapter 3: Preparing for the Journey. Tim and his team understood that they needed proper preparation before embarking on their space journey. They began studying scientific books about space travel and rockets, practiced controlling the gravitational simulator, and trained on special flight simulators. The children spent a lot of time at the Space Center where astronauts demonstrated and shared their space adventures. The team became synchronized and strong. They exchanged knowledge, helped each other, and discovered new ideas together. Each of them diligently worked on strengthening their skills and gaining knowledge about space travel. Chapter 4: Off to the Moon. The day arrived when Tim's team's rocket soared into the sky and set course for the moon. The children were excited and nervous, but they were also filled with determination and enthusiasm. The space journey was filled with incredible sights and the sensation of weightlessness. The children marveled at planets, stars, and cosmic galaxies. After several days of travel, they finally arrived on the moon. Here they encountered obstacles set by the monster to keep Looney captive. They had to overcome traps and solve complex puzzles to reach Looney. Chapter 5: Encounter with the Monster. Upon arriving on the moon, Tim's team faced the formidable cosmic monster guarding Looney. The creature had a fearsome appearance. With its large claws and fiery breath, it seemed determined to protect Looney at all costs. Tim and his friends could feel the tension in the air as they stood face to face with the creature. The monster roared loudly, trying to intimidate the children. But Tim remembered the lesson they learned during their preparations. True strength comes from friendship and understanding. Instead of cowering in fear, Tim stepped forward, his heart filled with compassion for the lonely monster. He bravely approached the creature, speaking to it in gentle tones, trying to convey their intentions. Tim explained that they only wanted to help Looney and bring him back home. He assured the monster that they meant no harm and wanted to be its friends too. Gradually, the monster's aggressive stance softened. It was confused by the kindness shown to it, as it had never experienced such warmth before. The monster's fiery breath subsided and its claws relaxed. Tim's words and sincerity touched its heart, and the monster realized that it didn't need to be hostile to make friends. Chapter 6: The Power of Friendship. As Tim continued to speak to the monster, his friends joined in, expressing their desire to befriend it as well. They shared stories of their adventures and the friendships they had formed along the way. The monster listened intently, feeling a connection to these brave and kind-hearted children. Slowly, the monster began to change. It realized that it had allowed fear and anger to consume it, and that had led to loneliness and isolation. Tim and his team showed the monster that it didn't have to be alone anymore. They offered their friendship and acceptance, promising to be there for it just like they were there for Looney. With tears in its eyes, the monster finally let go of its aggression and opened its heart to friendship. It apologized to Tim and the others for its actions and agreed to release Looney. The children's act of compassion had broken the chains that bound the monster, and they had proven that true strength lies in the power of friendship. With tears in its eyes, the monster finally let go of its aggression and opened its heart to friendship. It apologized to Tim and the others for its actions and agreed to release Looney. The children's act of compassion had broken the chains that bound the monster, and they had proven that true strength lies in the power of friendship. Chapter 7. Journey Back Home. With Looney freed from the monster's grasp, the team of children rejoiced. They shared emotional embraces with their newly found friend and knew that their mission was a success. The monster thanked them for showing it a better path and promised to be a friend to them all. As they prepared to return home, Tim and his team couldn't help but feel a mixture of joy and sadness. They were glad to have saved Looney and made a new friend in the monster, but they also knew that their extraordinary adventure was coming to an end. Chapter 8. A celebration to remember. Back on Earth, the entire town celebrated the children's bravery and the triumph of friendship. The mayor presented Tim and his team with medals of honor, recognizing their incredible achievements. The children were cheered on by their families, friends, and everyone who had heard of their remarkable journey. Tim and Looney's story spread far and wide, inspiring people all over the world. They received messages of support and admiration from various corners of the globe. Tim and his friends had become true heroes, and their tale of friendship and bravery touched the hearts of countless people. From that day on, Tim and Looney remained the best of friends, and the cosmic monster became a loyal companion to them and a protector of their town. Their bond showed everyone that even in the most unexpected places, friendship could bloom and conquer the darkest of fears. As time went on, the memories of their adventure became a cherished tale passed down through generations. Tim's book about their journey became a bestseller, and it touched the hearts of children and adults alike. Their incredible journey became a beacon of hope, reminding everyone that with courage, compassion, and friendship, anything is possible. And so, the legend of Tim, Looney, and their brave team lived on, forever etched in the annals of history.